Have you recently inherited a property and feel unsure about what steps to take next? Managing an inherited home can be overwhelming, especially if it's sitting vacant, needs repairs, or comes with ongoing costs like taxes and maintenance. At Henry Buy Houses Birmingham, we help individuals navigate these challenges by offering a simple, stress-free solution. We buy inherited properties in any condition, no repairs or cleanup required. You don't have to worry about the hassle of traditional selling. We'll handle everything, from the paperwork to closing, so you can move forward with peace of mind. Selling a family home is never easy, and we're here to provide a fair and understanding process that works for your unique situation. Contact us today to explore your options and take the first step towards simplifying this journey.